Good morning, guys. I'm just out here enjoying my black coffee from Starbucks. I'm about to get back on my Navi and head back home. Yep, just enjoying my regular black coffee. Here is my Honda Navi. In these past couple weeks while doing DoorDash, I noticed that this Navi inherently has a few weaknesses, and I am going to address those with things I find from Amazon, and better yet, they won't break the bank. The first issue that I came across when DoorDashing with this Honda Navi is that the Honda Navi, as well as a lot of motorcycles out there, do not have cup holders. To address the issue, I bought this Kimimoto cup holder on Amazon. Let's open it up. All right, here's what the cup holder looks like. And inside the cup holder, we have an instruction manual, some hardware, and something that says, "Do not eat." The instructions seem pretty clear, along with where all the hardware needs to go. So let's figure this out together. First, we need to undo the Velcro that's inside the cup. Once you undo the Velcro, you'll see that there's a small hole inside the cup that you need to get the screw through.
That's what she said.
Once you get the screw through the hole, you attach the clip to the cup and tighten the screw with this tool that they give you. The only other thing that you have to do is attach the cup to the bike handlebar, and they give you this, I'm assuming, so that it doesn't actually scratch up your handlebar. Okay, I think I found the perfect spot for my cup holder. Just gonna put it right here. As you can see, I put the little rubber grommet there so that it doesn't scratch up the handlebar. And adjust as you go.
Today, Junior?
And voila, all of that from unboxing the box to having it on the bike took less than 5 minutes. Another issue I came across while DoorDashing with the Honda Navi is that I was limited to how long I could DoorDash by my phone's battery. So to fix this issue, I've decided to add a phone charger to the Honda Navi. I will also add a link for this product as well as the Kimimoto cup holder down in the description of this video. Once you open up the packaging, this is what you get. Looks pretty simple. Looks like this will be attached to your battery, and this is where your phone's USB cable goes. To get started, we're gonna need to pop up the seat, so stick your key in and your seat gets removed. Once you pop up the seat, you're gonna need to remove this cover. So let's get this cover removed real quick. And now that the cover is removed, let's go ahead and start attaching the cable to the battery. Once you got the cable attached to the batteries, the next thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna somehow need to feed this to the front of the bike. So I found that you can kind of have it come out of this hole right here, but you're gonna need something to kind of help guide that cord through. So let's figure something out.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after several attempts of finagling this thing, I was finally able to get it through, but the only way I was able to get it done was I had to first and foremost remove the box right there. Next, I had to remove 3 of these bolts, and then the 2 bolts that go right there. After you do that, you should have just enough room to drop the cable through right there and kind of work its way along to the front right here and have it come out of that hole. After you feed the cable through, all you have to do is attach the other part of the cable to it.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I used some zip ties to tidy up the wire. It doesn't look super clean, but you know, I think this will do for now. I'll probably try and figure out a better solution in the long run, but let's clean it up a little bit and go for a ride. Okay, so my phone is plugged in and it's already charging, even without the bike being turned on. And I have an energy drink in the cup holder. Now that these 2 items are installed, let's go for a ride around the block because it's a beautiful day and see how they work out. Just got back from the ride and so far everything's holding up pretty well. The only thing I don't like is that the wires here are a little exposed, but we'll figure out a way to clean that up later. So the question that everyone's asking, do these products actually work? And the short answer is yes, it works perfectly fine. I think it was a very good investment, and I look forward to doing a lot more Doordashes with this bike. So hopefully, you know, as problems come up, you know, we can slowly but surely address them one by one. I appreciate all of you guys that watch my video here on YouTube. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll put out a video for you guys weekly. All right, thank you.